Good morning, Team Sunbelt, and thank you for joining us for PC 607's Tool of the Week. This week we're going to be going over sewer and drain cleaning equipment. One of the most important things we can do here at the counter taking that call is to qualify the customer. We can do that by asking a series of short, simple questions. Things like, what are you trying to accomplish? Are you working on your sink? Are you working on your toilet? Is your toilet on or off the base? Are you doing a clean out? Is it inside, outside? Simple things like that we can do to help them get the right equipment for their job. Let's take just a quick second to go over the PPE that you're going to need to complete your job. First, you want to grab a pair of safety glasses or goggles, a pair of leather gloves, but most importantly, underneath your leather gloves, a pair of rubber gloves, so no bacteria gets onto your skin directly.
Today I'll be showing everybody how to use and operate the toilet auger. The toilet auger is the safest and most efficient way to clear a clog without harming or damaging the toilet. If this does not work and clear the clog, you will need to remove the toilet from the closet flange. Now that you got your proper PPE on and you have the toilet auger, let's get started. First, you want to disconnect the auger. You want to pull so this goes to the end of the elbow. Then you want to engage the toilet, push down, and start turning clockwise until the clog is free.
If you have a clog in your sink, how you can get it out with our pistol grip drain cleaner. Ground protected GFI outlet, and you have the proper PPE on. But on your sink, if you can't go down through the top because you have a catch kind of, you have to go down through the bottom with the trap, take the trap off, make sure, verify that the clog is not in the trap, and you want to go into the pipe, to the wall to get the clog out. It is reversible, one way forward, flip switch, all the way goes backwards.
I'm gonna show you how to use a large sewer snake. This one is an R model from Electric Eel. I'm gonna show you real quick how to make sure you check your GFI before you start with a machine, because we have water. So make sure always you start checking your GFI. And then we have the switch over here, forward and reverse. Make sure you have it in off position. It's all the way here in the back. Up it will be forward and down is reverse. We have our foot pedal to engage the cable. We have all the different attachments for the sewer snake. Depends on what you have in your pipe. Sometimes you don't know what you have, so you can start with the easy one to have the tool to replace. That tips over here. It's an easy, quick. So now I'm gonna show you how to operate it. Before you start, make sure it's 3 feet away from the sewer pipe. You start putting that snake inside. When you have that snake inside, you plug into your outlet. Make sure it's in. You test the outlet to test, and then reset it again. Make sure the light turns in green. When you have, make sure you get this one tight. To get it to work, how you foot pedal close to you. And then with 2 hands, you want to start pressing the pedal to engage and turn it. I'm also gonna show you how to use an EJ3000. It's a sewer jetter with a 1/2-inch hose on it. First thing that you need to do on this one is make sure you inspect the hose for any holes, because this is a pressure. And second, make sure you don't have anything blocking this screen for the water supply. This is your garden hose. connect over here, make sure it has the seals. When you connect this one into your supply, make sure you disconnect the main hose from the reel to take air out of the line. Take the air out of the line. After that, you turn it off and then replace it back to the reel. Make sure this valve is always off, just for transportation. Before you start the machine, make sure you have it on the on position. Saying that, I'm gonna pull the hose into that sewer drain. This is a handle to get the reel tight. Loosen it up. Pull your hose easy. Always make sure it's 3 feet apart of your drain. This one has a brake as well, so you replace the brake. And we got a pin to hold the brake in place. When you have it all set up in place, make sure to turn your water supply to your hose. Lock it, and you are ready to start that engine. Make sure you always check on your tips. It's 2 different ones. It's a 40 degree and a 15 degree. The 50 degree, it gives you more driving power. At the same time, if you hit anything and you're not going through the pipe, this one is a valve that you can make pull sessions into the hose. That way it finds the way in on any turn. So make sure you have it in off when you start it, and if you have any issues with, just turn it all the way to your right, and you will have your pull sessions and the hose will move. At the same time, since you have that, make sure you always use both hands and start fitting the hose in easily.